Hello, students. This is the beginning of the course Digital Marketing Basics. In this video, we're going to learn about what is digital marketing. Before we understand what is digital marketing, it is essential to learn what marketing is. Now, marketing is a very commonly used term both in business and outside business circles. However, for outsiders who have no background of commerce or business training, marketing seems as simple as sales, which is actually a very big misconception. Marketing is an organizational function that focuses on creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers. Now, what does that actually mean? To put it mildly, marketing begins at the very basic stage of learning about market needs, understanding customer expectations and problems, which requires some kind of solution in the form of product or service. So, typically, marketing function begins its activities with market research. Once customer and market needs are clearly understood, marketers are supposed to go back to the drawing board and engage in product development process. Now, because of this visibility of their front end functions like advertisement, publicity, or brand building, very often people ignore the fact that marketing works a lot behind the scenes as well. Now, once the creating of the product or solution is done, the marketer's next step begins, which is communicating that the company has a product or service or a solution ready for the market. After all, why would a company need marketing? The end goal is profit. Therefore, once a product or service is ready, marketer involves themselves in the next step of activities designed for profit generation, which is communication of value. For this purpose, marketing involves advertising, branding, publicity, sales promotion, public relations, direct marketing, product placement, and yes, of course, sales. Once that part is done with, the idea is that the company need not convince the customer for every single sale of the good. The customer should be so convinced and so aware of the value that can be achieved by purchase of a product or service that they come themselves and buy that product or service. So the last part of a marketing function is delivering value to customers. Now, there are traditional routes wherein companies invest in building marketing channels with the help of wholesalers, retailers, licensed distributors, agents. And then there are contemporary and more modern channels wherein companies invest in selling or delivering value through e commerce platforms, their own websites, or mobile applications. So, to bring it into a more concise definition, marketing means understanding market needs, conceptualizing products or services, putting a price to those product or service so that a transaction can actually happen between company and a customer, then distributing the products or service, and then repeatedly promoting the product or service so that a larger share of market can be captured. Now, companies are not new to this concept of marketing, and they have been doing this for many centuries, not even decades. So, what is this new concept of digital marketing? Is it something very different from marketing? Is it a very novel concept? And why is it that it has become such a buzzword and attracting a lot of career focus? The reason is that the digital angle of business has been emerging over the last few decades. Now, before we jump into what is digital marketing, let's quickly understand what is the meaning of digital. Now, any electronic device, tool, system, platform, or resource that generates, stores, or process data can be considered as digital technology. In a layman's term, Whenever you are using a web-based platform or a mobile-based platform in the form of search engines, websites, applications, or social media, you are actually accessing digital technology. Now, sometimes you might be accessing this technology for just seeking information or conducting some kind of research. Sometimes you may be on these platforms for the mere purpose of entertainment. And sometimes you may be ready to buy and be going on these platforms to actually make a purchase. Having said that, now digital marketing is a combination of digital platforms and the marketing purpose. So, for a company that wants to sell its products, services, and solutions to customers, digital marketing is nothing but an integrated marketing approach that involves utilization of a mix of digital platforms available to engage their target customers, understand their needs, and deliver value to them. Now, there is a world of platforms out there, world of websites, applications, search engines, and different approaches available there, which companies can utilize to their benefit for engaging their customers, for connecting with them, understanding their needs, having a dialogue with them, communicating their true value across without being too upfront about a sale proposition. So, the idea behind having digital marketing as a key marketing strategy for any company is that they want to reach their customer where they are. So, in a nutshell, digital marketing is nothing but use of digital platforms for conducting various marketing activities of an organization that is trying to sell solutions to a competitive open market. Now, in the next video, we will learn about why businesses need digital marketing, what are its benefits in essence. Thank you.